everybody. Today we are going to be going over how to do double-digit addition with regrouping. So for me, I have the numbers 62 and 29 written out on my paper. What I like to do is then take my big marker and I'm going to do a line straight down the middle so it separates the tens place from the ones place. So after we do that, what I like to do is I like to take my special little pink marker, which is going to be our base 10 blocks in our numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my special marker and I'm going to count out 6 tens to draw for my base 10 blocks. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is my 6 base 10 blocks. After I do that, I'm going to go here, since I still have my special pink marker, and I'm going to draw 2 base 10 blocks. So we're going to go 1, 2. Now what I like to do is I'm going to grab a new color, so I'm going to grab my orange marker for my ones base 10 blocks. So we have 2 ones in this column, so we're going to go 1, 2. And for this one, we have 9, so we have to draw 9 little base 10 blocks. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as we have our base 10 blocks drawn out, we are going to, now that we can see, we have 62 and 29 with our base 10 blocks drawn out, and it makes it just a little easier to see. So after that, I'm going to grab my other special purple marker, and I am going to figure out how we can add these. So what I like to do is we're going to count out 10 base 10 blocks. So we have 9 here, and we're going to add 1 more here. So we're going to circle this one, bring it down here, and that makes 10 base 10 blocks, which is a 1 big block. So that means that we're moving to our tens place. So this we're going to take here and our 10, and we're going to put it right above the 6 for our extra 1 that we get to add. So after we added the 10, we have this little one left over right here, and that'll come in a bit. So we did that. So that became a 1. So what we can do now is we can take this 1 that we have left over, and we're going to put it right under here, because this ended up being a 0 and canceling out, so it became a 1. Now we can add our tens column. What I like to do is start with the bigger numbers, so we're going to start with 6. We're going to go 7, 8, 9, because we added in this number right here. So we're going to get this number. So our ending number came out to be 91.
So that was my thing that I would do to explain, but what I have created here is a Google Classroom. And for after we would do that, and I would work with them on a couple more problems, then I would continue and have them watch a video I found about additioning and regrouping, but it's in a song and a real life situation, which helps a lot. But then I have also created a Google form that I would have them fill out with the help of their parents at home if they needed it. So this is kind of like a little quiz, but what I would do is I'd give them a scratch paper with these already on them, and then I just have them answer these questions so I understand that they're getting them right, and then I can look at the results that they had. So this would be the first question, second question, and third question, and then they would submit it and I would talk to them that next day in class. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.